Hi everyone, welcome back to TW Home Show. Today I'm going to show you how to easily show your cameras on your Fire TV or your show device when your camera detects motion. Stay tuned, let's take a closer look. All right, welcome back guys. I'm going to pull up my smartphone here. I'm going to show you if your camera is even compatible or, a way where you can try to see if it might be. So we're going to go ahead and open up our Amazon app right there and go to, when you log in first, you're going to be at this home screen and select the More button at the bottom right corner. And about halfway down, you'll see Skills and Games. Go ahead and press Skills and Games and go into there. And then Discover. Right here is where you're going to want to press that magnifying glass at the top right corner. Select that and type in camera. And then search. Hit your done or search magnifying glass, bottom right corner. And right here, your search results are going to search for skills with a camera in the name, like FOSCam right here, FOSCam. These should work by pulling up on your Fire TV or show devices. And if you scroll through here, you can find out and see if your camera's brand name is on here. And what you want to do, like here's Blink. Blink cameras should probably work to pull up on Fire TV and shows. EasyViz cameras, all these popular name brands should be on here, and I know mine are on here. I've got the eufy cam and also the ring cam. So search for your camera brand name. Wise also, those will show up on your smart devices as well. Ecobee, all kinds of name brands have an Alexa skill. So there's the ring cam right there, matter of fact, right there, middle of the screen. So that's how you search to see if your camera is even compatible before you try to accomplish this. All right, guys, we're going to do a reenactment here. We're going to pretend you're watching a movie or something interesting on your Fire TV in your living room, which is here. And I've got the remote here. We're going to go ahead and set up one of my YouTube videos. You can watch that. And we're going to see how my eufy battery operated cam at the front door will detect motion when somebody walks up to your door, and it will start recording and display it. It will pause your movie or show on your Fire TV and then display so that you can see instantly or within a few seconds what is happening at your front door from that motion. So I'm going to go ahead and start this. Watch the screen and see what happens. How was it? Did it work, guys? I see it is displayed, so I don't know if you saw me as it pulled the camera up on screen on your Fire TV stick. Now, if you want to get back to your show, remember, it just pauses it. So you hit your back button right here on your Fire TV remote. And that just continues your show. Oh, one more thing. Did I show you? It did pull up on the show device right here behind me. So it works. By assigning 2 different routines, you can have it display on different devices around your household. Amazon, go home. And that's how you get your camera display off of your screen. It will return your show device to its home state. All right, next in this example, we're going to be watching a feature show on our Fire TV, and I'm going to walk out and there's going to be motion at my front gate, entry gate. So it's going to display my eufy cam that's pointed at the gate. It's going to pause your movie or show on your Fire TV, and it's going to make an announcement first that someone it spotted motion at the gate, and then it's going to show or display the camera feed. So let's try this. Did it work, guys? I see it did. Did you see me come up on the camera feed? Anyway, so that is in the middle of watching a movie or TV show on your Fire TV. It pauses it for you so you're not missing any of it. Just hit your back button on your Fire TV remote right here, and that will return you to where you left off in your TV show. Now guys, I hear what you're saying. Todd, hurry up, show me how to make this happen. I want it to display my cameras on Fire TV stick or on my show device. So let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and open up our Amazon app. And in the bottom right corner where it says more, select that, press that, more. And about halfway down, you'll see routines. We're gonna wanna create a routine, but remember, go back to the beginning of this video, make sure you have the skill for your particular camera model installed first and enabled. You need that account connected to your Amazon account. But we've already got that done. So we're gonna select routines about halfway down, open that up, and then we're gonna press the plus sign button at the top right corner of the screen on your smartphone. Press that. This is where you add a routine. And the first plus sign here, press that, enter routine name, name it anything you want. I'm just gonna try to name it the camera that I'm gonna set up. So I'm gonna set up gate cam on Fire TV. That's what I'm going to name this routine. Hit next, top right corner. When this happens, so select the plus sign there. When a smart home thing happens. A camera is a smart home thing. So we want to do gate, find gate. And it's going to have a symbol of a camera next to it, gate, so you know that's the camera. And I named it gate. So select gate in my case, and when motion is detected, select detected and hit your next at the top right corner. And then add action. Select your plus sign next to add action. And then we're going to create a custom action at the top. You'll see custom, select that, and we're going to ask the Fire TV to ask itself something with this custom action. So we're going to say show. Anytime you want a camera displayed, you have to say show it. So show gate, just the name of the camera. I don't want to say gate camera because that's not what I named it. I just named it gate. So it's going to say show gate. to the Fire TV stick, and then hit next, top right corner. And from what device do you want it to show on? So select from, choose device, and in our case we're going to pick Office Fire TV stick right here. Select that, and then select save in the top right corner, and it will save that routine created successfully. We're done. And that's how you do it. That's how you make your camera show on your Fire TV device. Now, as you see here in routines, you can actually play it and test it out. So I'm going to hit the play button right here to test it out, make sure the routine's working. We see it is pulling up our gate camera. We got it. So that's how you do it, guys. Hope this video helped you. You set it up for whatever device you want. I set it up in my case for my Fire TV, or you could set it up for your show devices. Whatever device you want this to display your cameras on, that's how you do it. Guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Just another sunny day.